Oh my god. Hello. It has finally happened. I've got the best thing to ever wish for your hair. If your hair is like mine, or bigger, frizzier, anything. If you want to have a salon ready hair, then the Dyson Airwrap is what I am. Well, you have to get it. Definitely. I waited for this very long time to unbox it for you as well. I've got it as a present for my birthday, but as life is being mother and everything, it's very, how to say, busy. I wanted to film it because it's a long time dream come true. So I want you to see as well what's in the beauty box here. And of course, in the future, you will see so much things and hacks you can do with it. I think it's the best tool and best investment. It is pricey. Here in Norway, it's around 5,400 kroners. Varies, it's around 500 something euros. I don't know the currency at the moment. Let's watch it. Let's see what's inside of it. Some stickers here. My nails. Just gonna get something to help with. Why not a screwdriver, right? Here's one sticker. Oh yeah, it is open here. It's a nice box, and already, of course, it came in a bit bigger box, or how to say. But the thing about this is the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. Definitely, if you haven't yet got it, you have to get it with the long ones. On shorter, longer hair, it just does better magic than the shorter ones. I think the shorter, if your hair is like shorter than mine, then yeah, it's good, but the longer it gets, you need to get a bit of longer grip. But if you have purchased it with the shorter ones, don't forget, you can check dyson.com. Here in Norway, we have a separate, which is dyson.no, I think, and then you can purchase it separately, and it doesn't cost a lot. It's around 300 kroners. What I love about it, it has this storage unit, and it's like nice leather case, nice brownie one. So it's like this. It's a Dyson sign on top of it. It also has like a magnetic thingy here, so it sits up perfectly. So for example, if it was like fast, you just bam, run away, and it locks itself. So let's open up. As I know, I've seen it. This is for like when you start styling your hair. You just put it out, and then you place your heat tools on it. Basically the Dyson Airwrap, so it doesn't affect anything. Oh, and this is like a marketing thing for it. Quick tips. Well, I know a lot about it, so but for those, it's always good to read. You know, everything you purchase, always read the manual. Even if you buy a camera, always read the manual. And this comes on top of. Oh my god, I love the smell of something fresh. So this is the long barrels. Comes in a nice box. So I suppose it has two sides, because yeah, the if your compact is a shorter one, then they usually are placed up like that. The longer barrel one can't fit in the box, right? So I suppose that's why they packed it this way. Okay, that's the smaller one. What is that? Oh yeah, the big ones. Perfect size. See, two fingers. I always say it has to, for the perfect curling hair, and also it has to be 2 fingers. Then this, I suppose, is the nozzle for smoothing, and this is for volume. But I'm not really sure. But I just look at it. I'll check the manual, right? Yeah. This is the hair dryer attachment. Yeah. So it looks here. This is the round brush. This is the one itself. Nice moment. I can just okay. Oh my god, it's so good. Even tell you how long I was waiting for this. Oh, I love it. It's in a nice boxy, and this is like a separate page. I want to see how it's going to look for myself after a while, because I'm really messy at storing stuff, but I suppose this box is definitely going to help. Okay, and here it is. Definitely the manual about it. It's very important, always read the manual, always. And that's what I'm gonna firstly do. Of course I've used it, but I have to, like, I think with everything what you buy is you kind of have to read about it. And first things first, well, you have to read the manual because here you have a warranty. What about love about Dyson is that you can work with them straight away, right? If something happens with the machine or something, you just get in contact with Dyson. There's no third party in between, so the contact and everything is much easier. But what you do, you have to, at least when I did with my supersonic dryer, you just go online and you register the number which is on the Dyson. I'm not gonna show you mine, so you don't kindly register mine and I don't lose mine. But yeah, it has 2-year warranty, but which is good. In Norway you have 5-year electrical item warranty. What I love about it most is that it has the cold air function. I cannot stress out enough about how I'm always saying you have to set the hair. I love bubbleless brush, but if you use it excessively, you're gonna burn down the hair because it is very hot. It's a very good styling tool for once in a while, like in the salon when stylists do the hair, it's a fast application. But if your hair is kind of fragile and thin, and if you're blonde, then you're just gonna rip it off. And also, if you're gonna use this not the right way, it's not gonna be like, oh, I bought Dyson, I fucked up my hair, shit product. No, you didn't do it the right way. Also, it does have speeds, and why I think this is the best investment. And it is just a quick story about, like, I had a friend, she wanted to get a supersonic, yeah, but she loves the big blow dries, and I always said to her, just get an Airwrap, it's gonna be much better, because you start with a rough blow dry, which is a hair dryer, you know, you just stick it on, then you blow dry it, and then you start the styling, so you smooth out a little bit, or add a little bit of volume, go with the curl, yeah. And there are very good hacks with this I'm going to show in the future. It's the only curl, but it's very good for my hair issues. And here's the round brush. So what I love about it, it has filters freaking everywhere. It's like when Dyson makes something, they make something like unique, you know, and then they work on the patents, and their scientists, not scientists, but the engineers, they work on the stuff, you know. It's why I'm so love this company. It's about the science behind it, the technique, the muscle, the engineers that in it. Like with the supersonic hair dryer, when it came out, the engineers went in the salons and they literally looked at the hairdressers, how they work, how they move their hands, and this and that. So everything was made with a sense why the motor is in the handle, why it's there, so it doesn't actually affect the wrist. And yeah, so I trust in them, and I think everything else, of course, is not like this just bad companies, but my heart belongs here. I'm, like my friend said, I'm a geek. So, but this is like, oh, okay, let me just, I want to turn it on the first time, but yeah, investing in this one, you will not be losing out anything, because you have 5 actually appliances that are in this one beautiful tool, and it comes with a beautiful storage box. It's so elegant, so chic, not to say more. And I'm not gonna use any heat protectant on my hair now, because I just wanna do the flake with the big one. And when you do, you have to follow the arrows. So I'm gonna hold it in my right hand. Yes, this is the right way. Oh my God, oh my. Amazing. And what I love about it, you don't have to lift it up, it sucks it on. How smart is, how freaking brilliant and smart is that? It makes my life much easier and lazier, but such a lazy person with my hair, I'll probably just gonna use it on my friends. Yeah, no, I'm lying. But this is a dream come true, and I'm gonna watch about it more and more and more. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Definitely purchase this stuff. Love Dyson. Been an advocate for them forever, and I think this is the best thing ever happened in the market. Maybe some copycats are doing it better, but you know, I sometimes do trust in the first source. First comes first. Thanks for watching, and let's start styling.